messy bun that is a little bit more stylish, something different. It doesn't hurt my head and it doesn't move. So if this interests you and you want to get your hair up away from your kids, just keep watching. We're going to be using 2 elastics, 2 bobby pins, and just a comb. Add a little bit of teasing just throughout the top layers at the crown. Make a normal ponytail just wherever you like it to sit on your head. Now this next step might look complicated, but it's really not. You're just going to make a donut on the top of your head, spreading out your hair, and then you're going to get that second elastic and wrap it around that donut. That sounds really funny. And on this next step, you're actually going to take these remaining hairs and you're going to tuck them up inside the band. And what this does is it actually is hiding the elastic and it's creating a really pretty halo around that bun, which is kind of what gives it that messy look. And even if some of these pieces are falling out or kind of, you know, not staying perfect, it doesn't matter because that's the great thing about a messy bun. So whatever you do and whatever comes out, I'm sure it's going to be perfect. So now that it's in there, I'm just looking at it and making sure that it looks balanced from left to right. And you also want to pull out the hair to give it some volume. And then of course you're going to pull out those pieces to face frame your face and make it look nice and loose. As for the bobby pins, it's just a precaution. They're not necessary. It's just if there's any pieces that are out of place, you can just secure them. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you guys have enjoyed this new messy bun. Let me know if you try it by tagging me in your stories, and I hope you all have a good day. Bye!